Hello, this is Brian Gershio, Product Support Manager here at TekTone Sound and Signal. And in this final Tek-CARE 700 video, we will cover setting up the TekBridge configuration. In this example, we will be setting up a standalone system from the pre-configured template. It is also possible to add Tek-CARE 700 functionality to an existing system configuration. Begin by opening the Config tool and selecting This machine is a standalone system and New configuration from template. In the window that appears, click TC700 and open. The first thing we'll need to do is name the configuration by choosing File and Save Configuration As. This will allow you to name your configuration and save it to the hard drive. By starting from the template, you will notice that the interface is pre-configured and all the necessary rules and device IDs are preloaded. We will begin customizing the configuration by selecting Locations in the left column. Here, we add any proximity maps that are to be used and rename the preloaded locations. It is only necessary to rename the locations which correspond to the device addresses previously chosen for the installed door controllers. To add proximity maps to the configuration, click the green Add button in the Proximity Maps pane and select Load from File. Select the proximity map you intend to use and click Open. Create a name for this map and apply the change. You may repeat this process for any additional maps. Next, select the location name to be used and click Edit. Provide the desired name for the location and choose the correct proximity map that it will be on. Click Apply. Repeat this process for all additional locations. When all locations have been modified, select a location to place on the proximity map. Put the map in edit mode and drag the red marker to the correct location, then apply the changes. Again, we'll repeat this process for all locations that need to be assigned. Next, for simplicity's sake, we can edit the zones. The configuration is preloaded with 75 zones. These zones can be renamed as desired, and unused zones can be deleted. Next, we will enable all door controllers and tags to be used by the system. Click on Foreign Devices in the left column. Then select the first device to be enabled. Click the Edit button. Check Enabled. Note that the correct location has been pre-selected. The device will default to being in all zones. If required, proper zoning can be selected. Apply these changes. For enabling multiple devices at the same time, select the Edit Multiple button. In the window that appears, select All devices to be enabled. Click the Enabled field and then click the box to the right to enable all selected devices. Apply these changes. Next, we will add residents to the system and assign tags for them. Select the Patient page in the left column. This page is also used to customize options such as the term used for occupants and custom fields for occupant information. In our example, we are simply adding patient names and photos and associating those names with tags. To add a patient, click the Add button, enter the patient's name, and from the list below select the appropriate tag. If photos are to be added, click on the Image Add button, then select the appropriate photo and accept the changes. Repeat these steps for all patients to be entered. Finally, we need to associate the interface with the previously created virtual COM port. Select the Interface page. Put the interface in edit mode and change the port assignment from 10 to the COM port which was assigned to the CT701. Apply this change and save your configuration. Now minimize the LS450 config tool. To start the system, open the LS576 event monitor, selecting Standalone System and the correct IP address. Go back to the LS450 config tool and commit the configuration to the system. Once these steps are completed and the event monitor is back online, the system is ready for use. System functionality is depicted by the following animations. When a door controller sees a tag, the door restraint will be activated. If the tag remains in the transmit field for more than 10 seconds, a loiter alarm is generated. If the door is opened without entering the proper keypad code, an alarm is generated and tag information is displayed. It is important to note that the door controller cannot differentiate between multiple tags. Alarms generated while more than one tag is present will display information regarding door location only. This concludes the video training series for the Tek-CARE 700 system. Remember that training is available at our facility in Franklin, North Carolina at no charge. Contact TekTone Sales for more information.